KQ8 weather.
What is all this talk about snow? Well, we've definitely had a very, very cool start to the month and a very wet one as well. But things are about to change as we head into the weekend, and we have some warmer weather on the docket. But tonight is going to be a chilly one. Right now, we're at 51 degrees in Fargo-Moorhead. Wind from the southwest is blowing at 7 miles per hour. Already in the 40s in Thief River Falls, Cavalier 46. It's 53 this hour. In Grand Forks with Wahpeton at 50 degrees. Here is a look at the clear skies, and it looks like a nice break for us, but we do have a little hitch in the giddy up in eastern Montana that's heading into the western Dakotas tonight. That's bringing some clouds and a few showers in our general direction. Nationally, very quiet across the lower 48 until we get off into the eastern Great Lakes. And well, we do have tropical disturbance number 9 out there off the Atlantic coast, very slowly moving, and will likely stay out over the waters. For us, as we head to bed tonight, it does look chilly with clear skies all night and relatively quiet winds. A couple of locations up north in Minnesota could dip down into the upper 30s. A chilly start to your weekend. For some of us, we'll have patchy areas of dense fog once again. But the sunshine goes to work first thing for most of us across Minnesota and the valley, while clouds build in out to the west. This is going to bring a batch of clouds over the Red River Valley midday. Now, we cannot rule out a shower or sprinkle, particularly in the afternoon hours as this system works its way eastward. The vast majority of us will stay dry, and that afternoon sun goes to work, and we get some orange colors for a change back on Hutch's good old weather map there, which means some milder temperatures for our afternoon. And Saturday evening looks delightful as well, with clear skies setting the stage for an equally as pleasant Sunday. More on that in just a moment. Here's your planner for Fargo. First thing in the morning, expect those mid-40s in Fargo. Can't rule out some patchy fog in the area. Temperatures rise quickly through the 50s and 60s, and we'll spend hours in the low 70s. Remember that midday chance at some clouds out there, and the winds, by the way, tomorrow, a lot less strong. We're talking about 5 to 15 miles per hour out of the south or even west at times. The coolest locations will be up north near the international border, but many of us getting into the mid and upper 60s in northern Minnesota. 73 Wahpeton, Breckenridge, near 80 in Sisseton, and a beautiful day on Devil's Lake at 71 degrees. Speaking of beautiful, take a look at Suzanne's photo here near Vergas. This is Long Lake, a gorgeous and colorful scene. Now let's analyze this 7-day planner, because Sunday looks absolutely delightful. We'll see mostly sunny skies for most of the day, and a temperature in Fargo that will challenge 80 degrees. And that would be the warmest day of the month thus far. Heading into next week, we'll warm it up even more. Temperatures in the low to even mid-80s. We will have more wind in the forecast, particularly as we get into Wednesday. Wednesday brings our next weather-making system, a chance of some showers. That cools us off, but not as cool as we've been, Mike Morgan, so you can leave that snowblower in the garage for just a little bit longer, because we have some 80s to enjoy.
Months?
We have some 80s to enjoy.
All right, thanks.
Yeah.